Fabfitfun, you guys. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you, I get these every quarter. And as you see, there's my summer and my spring boxes. They're not empty, but they don't have like the Fabfitfun stuff in them. These boxes are so great for like putting photos, school, like the kids' school papers, just anything in them. I think one of mine up here has like all my makeup brushes that I haven't opened yet. But anyway, I film it every time, and then for some reason I never post it because it's like everybody else has posted theirs, so do you really want to see what I got? But anyway, I got mine, I think, kind of early. I got it earlier than I usually do. So I thought, you know what? This time I am posting it. So you guys, the fall Fabfitfun. I am really excited about this one. I did not go crazy on this. I usually go crazy with the add-ons because you can customize your box and then you can go through a section called add-ons and you can get stuff at really great prices, and the add-ons usually really get me. So my box will go from $49.99 to like $100 and some because I will spend that much in add-ons because they are so great. This time I didn't do that. I was very, very good. Anyway, Fabfitfun, it's $49.99 every season, spring, summer, winter, fall. The boxes are great. They're lifestyle boxes. You get makeup, beauty products, hair products, stuff for your home. You get fashion, jewelry, accessories. I've gotten one purse and then a backpack purse. You get scarves. I mean, you get all kinds of good stuff, you guys. Like all kinds of good stuff. I get Fabfitfun and I get BoxyCharm. Those are the two subscription boxes that I get. Those are the two that I love. I used to get all kinds of them and I narrowed it down to two because I was just tired of throwing out all that money, and I really wanted to do the subscription boxes that I would get my money's worth. This is definitely one of them. You always get $250 plus in products, and I'm telling you, my last three boxes have been over $300, you guys. And so I'm really excited to see what's in this one. I customized, and I don't remember what I got. So what you can do is if you buy your box on a one payment for the year, you pay for 4 boxes basically. You get to customize basically the whole box from what I understand. I pay for mine every season. It just automatically comes off the credit card. So I get to customize usually 3 items. And what you can do is, let's say for your first item, you got a choice of 3 products to be your first item. And let's say I choose this candle, okay? Well, they also have a Marc Jacobs highlighter. Well, I chose the candle, which I would really choose this one over this, but I can go ahead and get this for $10 and the other item also for like $10. So I did do that once. I don't remember doing it, but it's in my box and it's on my list. But I thought I took it off. I may not have. Anyway, and I bought one add-on from the add-on section. So anyway, guys, I'm done talking. Let's get into this. I'm so excited. Now, I have already unsealed it, but I have not opened it. Like, I have not opened this. So let's look at what's inside. This is what the inside of the box looks like right there. And it always comes with a magazine, and this time it is Meghan Trainor on the magazine. And what the magazine is it will show you everything that's in the box, what you had to choose from, things like that. It's great. I love this. And then, you know, they'll go through and then they'll talk about things that came in your box and how you could use it. And there should be an interview in here with Meghan Trainor. There she is. So she is the face of the fall Fabfitfun box. So that is so cool. What I'm going to show you first is I'm going to show you my add-on. I purchased these through the add-on, and I'm so glad I did. They were $9.99. They're called Wraps Wristband Headphones. And as you can see, they can wrap around your arm. They're supposed to be non-tangle. And mine get tangled all the flipping time. So I seen these. I was pretty excited actually, because I needed a new set, and I have a lot of these, not this exact ones, but I have a lot of earbuds, and I go through them so fast. It's like one will quit working, or the cord will rip, or whatever. So I was on my last pair, and actually only one speaker is working on them now. So I needed these so bad. So glad I got them. I got them in hot pink or whatever, and I just needed these because I like to go for walks in the evenings. I don't even know how they open. Here we go. I like to go for walks in the evening, and I like to listen to my music, so I do that. Okay, what else do we have here? An envelope. I don't know. Is there money in here? Dear wine lover, your Fabfitfun subscription helps you discover new products. So, a $50 gift card for your first wine shipment. Well, that'd be awesome, but I don't drink wine. But it's like Bright Cellars, and it's a $50 gift card. So, take the quiz and redeem your $50 gift card at brightcellars.com. Anything on there that you need to know, use the card, because I don't drink wine. I don't drink anything. Alcoholic. $80 gift card for HelloFresh. We get these every single time. I've heard a lot of good stuff about HelloFresh, but I've never tried it. But it is an $80 gift card. I think there's a code there. I'm not going to use it, so have at it. Fabfitfun. This season's leaves aren't the only thing bringing some color into your life. You have got that right. I'm gifting you $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. That's 200 plus worth of presents to yourself for just $34.99, you guys. Look at that. There's your code. $15 off your first box. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay. The box. What? I have no idea what's in here, you guys. I will say that one of, when I was customizing my box, I got to choose between 3 products, and I chose one, and then I paid to get the other one, which is this. And see, I thought I took that back, or took it off, but it came in my box, so I must have left it on there. But this is a Kate Spade little lunchbox. Like, how cute is this? Let's see if I can pop her open. Look at this. It is a Kate Spade. It says out to lunch. It is a lunchbox. I love it. It's cute. I had it in my bag, and then I took it out. Like, I just was like, I don't work anymore. Where am I going to take the lunchbox to? But that's what the inside looks like. But it's really super cute. So I figured I'll just use it for something else. I'm sure I can find something to use it for. So let's open up the book, and let's see what we had to choose from. What we had to choose from first was a plaid scarf, an Anthropology yoga mat, which I did not want, or an Amika hair straightener, or a teeth whitening kit. I chose the hair straightener. And you guys, look at this color. Oh my gosh. I seen people opening this, and I was like, I can't remember if I got that or not. Did I get that? Please tell me I got that. Guess what? I did get it. Oh, I'm happy because y'all know I use a hair straightener every day. I either use it to straighten my hair or I use it to color my hair. And the value of this is $80, you guys. But look. Oh my gosh, look at that color. Oh, that's so nice. On off switch. 140 degrees to 450. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love this. It is, like I said, $80. Sweet. Super excited about that. Super excited. Okay, my next one was I could get the Kate Spade lunch tote, some detox pads, a cut from the cloth wallet, or a cheese board that comes with like the knife and stuff. I chose the wallet, cut from the cloth, and then I must have paid the extra for this. But this, the value of this is $30. So this is $30. I think I paid $10 for it. And the value of this is $60. It's got 7 credit card slots, an ID window, and a full-length bill compartment. But I was wanting a new wallet, and I just thought this one was cute, so I chose it. Look, it comes, look, it comes with a little bag, you know, dust bag to put it in. But you guys, look at this. This is actually really nice. It feels really nice. So here to put my money in, 7 card slots, and that's it. That's it. Now where to put my checkbook, but I don't care. This is so cute. I'm definitely going to use this. Super, super, super cute. I love it. Okay. And then my last one that I got to choose was either the Better Skin Bauble Bar Earrings, Cosmetics Pure Sea, or that was it. What did I choose? I chose the Cosmetics Pure Sea. And I did not buy any of the others. This retails for $54. Like, how is this $54? Look at this. It's just a powder. Let's see. Brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure ascorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. Okay, I am really going to have to check into this because this sounds very interesting. Oh my gosh. Okay, now what's left in here as far as for me is what I got, what they chose for me, or what came in every box. This comes in every box. It retails for $18. It is Human Plus Kind Body Souffle. This is what it looks like. I like the packaging. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. Oh, you guys, that smells good. Oh, it does. I can smell the apricot. Awesome. Let's see. I got the Aromatherapy Deep Relax Rollerball Roll-On. And this is what I got. How much does this retail for? $29. It is zen out wherever you are with the relaxing blend of vetiver, chamomile, and sandalwood. So what is this? Aromatherapy, Deep Relax, Rollerball. Smells like oil. Well, it don't just smell like oil, but it is oil. So we got that. Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Ta-da! This retails for, came in every box, $30. Aveda, you're expensive. $30. And it is infused with a protein, macadamia oil, and soil. Instantly repairs, protects your hair from heat styling. Okay, I could use that. It's a heat styling thing. Cool. Awesome. Ooh, what is this? This is Harper & Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. Look at this. How neat is that? Okay, well, so what is this? These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Awesome. This is... Oh my God, you guys. Oh, that smells so good. Ah, that's awesome. Oh, what does that smell? It's real citrusy though. But look how cool these are. They're like, they're cubes. Awesome. 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 Okay, what else did I get? Last, this is the last item. It is Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. What is it? Menthol and green tea. Tone Firm Smooth Pre-Workout Activator. Okay. How much are you? Skin Volve. You are 4D. $45. It says formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol. The pre-workout gel targets problem areas to give you a tighter, smoother skin. Not bad. I can definitely smell the menthol in it. Not bad. Okay, you guys, the total of my box was $332. And that's without adding this. If I add this, it comes to $362. And I would have paid $59.99 for my box. Not bad, not bad. Because like I said, the earphones, those are add-on. That doesn't even, you know, it's not part of the box. But all this stuff was part of the box. So it was... All the retail values was $211 or $345.99, and like I said, mine came to $332. And then I think I paid $10 for this, so that would make my box $59.99, and the total value $362. So I got $303 worth of stuff extra for what I paid for this box. That is amazing. You cannot beat that, you guys. I paid $60 and I got $330 worth of stuff, like, or $360 worth of stuff. How awesome is that? That's amazing. So you guys, check out Fabfitfun. I'm telling you, if you're not getting it, please tell me why. Why do you not get it? Why? I don't understand, because I have to have it. But anyway, I mean, like I said, I got hair products, I got bath products, I got skincare, I got a wallet, I got a lunchbox, I got a hair straightener that is a coral color. You guys, this is like one of my favorite colors. And I was able to buy me some new wraps, which I've never had the wraps, so I'm pretty excited. But they're not supposed to get tangled up. Like, I'm excited for that, because mine get tangled up all the time, and that's how I always end up tearing them up. But that's it, guys. It's everything that I have for you. I will leave all the links down below for your Fabfitfun. Those codes that I gave you, I will put those down below. Everything, $10 off your first box, $15 off your first box. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's everything that I have for you. If you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button below. You're the first ones to know every time I post a new video. But you guys, I love you. I love you very, very much. I hope your summer has been amazing, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.